In this Paracourse lesson, we want to model parametric paneling tools, which you can see. I'm going to first explain about point attractors, how we can use point attractors to deform a grid, and I'm going to use a VLOOKUP plugin to make the panels. Then I'm going to explain how you can use the random attractor here, which you can see by changing a number slider, we can produce random results. Then we're going to talk about a curve attractor, how a curve attractor can affect a grid, which we will model in Grasshopper. Then we will go to a Gaussian curvature, and you can see that this surface, the curvature of the surface is producing deformation in the grid. And at the end, we're going to also talk about smooth mesh and how we can convert those grids into a smooth mesh like this, which is basically smoothing the grid. So this tutorial is about how you can use the paneling tools with different uh, components and use the attractor section and produce a deformation in a parametric grid.